In this video, we're going to learn how to use the zoom tool in the timeline, which means zooming into a specific area of your timeline for more detailed editing. This tool is helpful when you want to focus closely on a cut, align clips precisely, or work on very small timing adjustments. Let's start. Go to the toolbar near the timeline and select the zoom tool. The icon looks like a magnifying glass. You can also press the Z key on your keyboard to activate it quickly. Now, move your cursor into the timeline area, click anywhere on the timeline, and it will zoom in around that area. Each time you click it, the timeline zooms in further, allowing you to see clips in more detail. If you want to zoom out, hold the Alt key on your keyboard and click again. This will zoom out instead of zooming in. But the zoom tool changes only a view of the timeline. It does not affect clip duration, playback speed, or export settings. Once you're done zooming, you can switch back to your regular editing tool and continue working. And that's it. You now know how to use the zoom tool properly in the timeline in Adobe Premiere Pro. If this tutorial helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe for more Adobe Premiere Pro tutorials.